At Champs-Rousse, a resort of Isère dominating Grenoble at 1,700 meters and beautifully located at the south of the Massif de Beldonne, in front of Loison, the Vercors and La Chartreuse, Skibert presents to you Les Crins des Neiges. This new residence is located in an exceptional setting next to the ski lift of Roche Béranger and near to the shops. For your comfort and free time, you will have at your disposition a reception room and a heated indoor swimming pool. The access to the swimming pool is included in the rental. On the spot, you'll be able to rent bed and bath clothes, television and baby beds. You will benefit from free outdoor parking. Every apartment has a fully equipped kitchen corner with fridge, hot plate, microwave and dishwasher. These spacious apartments offer a super view on the surrounding massifs. If you wish to know more about Les Crins des Neiges, find us on skibert.com.